that bail has been given to Asaram. This is what we are learning at the moment. This is an interim bail that has been given to Asaram on medical grounds. Well, he had applied for bail in the Jodhpur High Court, after which bail has been granted to him. And we understand Asaram Bapu has been in jail for a long time now and had applied for interim bail just a while back, after which we understand he's been given bail for treatment by the Jodhpur High Court. We will try and get more details about this in just a bit. My colleague Harsha will also be joining us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Meanwhile, this is some big breaking news coming in at the moment. However, till what time he has been granted this interim bail, that is still unknown, but we understand on the basis of his health condition, this interim bail has been granted. On medical grounds, this bail has been granted by the Jodhpur High Court. We will be getting more details about that. Meanwhile, this is some breaking news that's coming in at the moment. We are trying to get more details about for how long, as well, Asaram has been given interim bail by the Jodhpur High Court. But the details that are coming out so far is that the bail has been given for medical treatment by the High Court in Rajasthan to Asaram. My colleague Harsha also now joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more details about this. Harsha, what more do we know? For how long has Asaram been given this interim bail, and what's his condition?
Well, he has been given interim bail till the 30th of June. Now, Asaram had repeatedly approached the Jodhpur High Court, and he had been saying that he is old. He's above 80 years old, and he needs to be allowed to go for medical treatment, is what he had been saying. Now, on compassionate grounds, the court finally agreed and gave him treatment. He was allowed to go earlier to Pune also for a specific treatment, and now also he's been allowed to be on bail till the 30th of June, after which he will have to again report back to the court. Now, remember, Asaram was in jail. The sentence that was handed out to him was that he was to remain in jail until death for sexually, for what was called a sexual assault, a rape of a minor girl. So he has been in jail since then. He's made repeated attempts to apply for bail, and finally, on the grounds of the fact that he is, above 80, the Rajasthan High Court has finally allowed him bail, that is interim bail, just for medical treatment. In this case, he has to report back by the 30th of June.
All right. Thank you so much, Harsha.